Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, you'll learn how to make this gorgeous, blingy, glam, heart-shaped jewelry box. It's inexpensive and easy to make. You'll also have the opportunity to enter to win a box from PINCHme.com. So if you're interested in the DIY or the giveaway, then please keep watching. PINCHme lets you try products from leading brands completely free. All they ask is for your feedback on the products. Every month, a range of new free samples are released on PINCHme.com for members to claim. This happens on a day called Sample Tuesday, usually the second Tuesday every month. These are brand name products from cleaning, beauty, personal care, pets, baby, snacks, and much more. This service is available to everyone in the US. Now let's get right into this unboxing. This is the box, isn't it cute? And on the back it says try products from leading brands for free. PINCHme.com. Alright, so let's see the first thing we get in here. Alright, as you can see, the first thing that you get is a welcome card. So it says, welcome. We are so thrilled for you to join our exclusive PINCHme Influencer Club. As a founding member, you'll be one of the first to get access to exclusive free products, promotion events, and much more. And then on the back it tells you how to sign up for PINCHme. Alright guys, so let's get into the goodies. Let's see what we have here. Alright, this one says Compeed protects and cushion blisters. Stay in place, provides optimum cushioning from rubbing and pressure. Sometimes the shoes will cause a blister, so this is just a way to put it in and cushion it. Let's see. And this is what they look like. It's pretty thin. What you do is peel it like that and then attach it to your skin. And there's a little bit of a cushion there, so it'll protect whatever blister or callus or whatever you have. So yeah, that can come in handy. So the next thing we have up is some nut butter, and it says honey cinnamon peanut butter. And it tells you what it contains right there. So yeah, I'm going to give this a try tomorrow, maybe on a piece of toast. And I'll let you guys know in a later video how I like it. So next up we have some Sundown Naturals Multi Plus Daily Immune Support. But these are soft gels. And who couldn't use these this time of year? And I guess you can tell by my voice I have a slight cold. Yeah, definitely going to be trying these out. Next up we have some soap from PODGE Soap Company. It says this one is clarifying charcoal with activated charcoal powder. Let's open it and see what it looks like. I love charcoal soap. I actually have made some charcoal soap before. It smells good. It's like a sample size. With the card that gives you the information on the soap. Scented with pure essential oils, premium natural ingredients, cruelty free. Yeah, it smells really good. I almost want to say it smells like lemongrass. So yeah, I like that. Definitely going to be using this. Next up we have more soap from PODGE Soap Company. This one is French Lavender. Oh my god, it smells so good. And this one is a little bit thicker. And this is the information on that one. So yeah guys, I'm really excited about my box so far. And just to think, I am going to be selecting one of you guys to receive one of these free boxes. Next up we have some Moroccan oil. Alright, so we have some Moroccan oil for hair. And that's a generous amount because it really don't take that much. So yeah, I'm excited about using this. Has a really pleasant scent. Next up we have a L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask. It says that it detox and brightens. So 3 pure clays and charcoal. I'm really excited to try this. So we have the Garnier Fructis Soothing Treatment Hair Mask. It says with avocado extract. So avocado is really good for your hair. So there's a sample of that. Information on the hair masks and the different ones that they have. And finally, guys, we have sample packets of Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Gentle Conditioner. I'm definitely going to be trying these as well. And I must say I'm really satisfied with my box. Now this concludes my PINCHme box unboxing. If you're interested in receiving one, please go over to PINCHme.com and sign up for your very own PINCHme box. Now, not everyone is guaranteed a sample box every month, but they provide all members with other great freebies to take advantage of, if they choose. The best way to be eligible for a PINCHme box is to complete your member profile and help them get to know you. Now, I was sent a premium blogger box because they identify me as a key influencer. So regular members may receive a smaller box with a different assortment of items, usually an average of 3 to 6 samples. So if you like to receive new items, then head on over to PINCHme.com and sign up for your PINCHme box today. Also, if you're interested in winning a PINCHme box, all details will be in the description box below. Now on to the DIY. A complete list of the items that I use will be in the description box below. Starting out, the first thing I'll do is trace and cut out my hearts. I'm going to trace one heart on this plate. Then I'll trace 2 hearts onto my foam board. Before I cut the hearts out on the foam board, I'm going to draw a smaller heart right inside one of the hearts. I would say about ½ an inch smaller. Once you do that, cut both hearts out with an X-Acto knife. Clean up the edges of the heart with a pair of scissors. Now cut the heart from the silver plate and clean up the edges if needed. Now line it up with the larger heart to make sure they're a good fit. Now glue both hearts together. Now firmly press both pieces together. Now glue the smaller heart to the larger heart and make sure that it's centered. The smaller heart will prevent the lid from sliding off the box. I'll remove this tag and clean my box and then go on to the next step. Here I have some Mod Podge, my heart box, some paper to catch the glitter, and of course my glitter and a paintbrush. Now this is very simple. I'll just brush on Mod Podge and sprinkle the glitter on top of the Mod Podge. As you can see, I switched to a foam brush, and that's because the regular brush was leaving streaks in the Mod Podge. I'll continue to add the Mod Podge and glitter until the entire outside is covered. Now that my heart is completely covered with the glitter, I'll let it dry. Then I'll spray it with this hairspray, let that dry, and do an entire coat of glitter again. While it dries, I'm going to go ahead and put a hole into my lid. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to put the hole in the lid, but you can use a screwdriver as well. If you're going to use your hot glue gun, all you need to do is find the center of the heart, take your glue gun, and press the tip until it melts through all 3 pieces. Once you're done making a hole, test it by pushing the screw all the way through it. Now screw on the knob to see if you need to add any extra padding. The screw is still really loose, so I'm going to add a couple of pieces of cardboard to take up the slack. Since this knob is pink and it won't match, I'll go ahead and cover it with glitter as well. I decided to cover the lid in the Mod Podge and glitter mixture as well. I'll be applying 2 coats, just like I did the heart box. One coat down, I'll put this aside and then come back and do the second coat. Both coats of the glitter are dry. I laid down my design and glued half of my mirror tiles down. Now I'll use the Gorilla Glue to glue the remaining tiles down. Remember when you're laying your mirror tiles down to leave room for your knob. I'll set this aside to dry and move on to the bottom. After your 2 layers of Mod Podge and glitter has dried, your box should look like this. So now I'm going to take 2 rolls of my bling wrap and glue it directly in the center of my box. I'll be using a combination of hot glue and Gorilla Glue. I'll continue to glue this 1 row of bling around the outside of the heart and then move on to the next step. Now I'm going to glue the mirror tiles on the side of the box, but this time I'll be using Gorilla Glue along with hot glue. I'll be repeating this design on the other side. I'm going to start at the front of the box and work my way around. Once you're done, your heart box should look like this. Here I added 2 pieces of cardboard to my screw for a snug fit, and this is what the knob looks like after I applied the Mod Podge and glitter. I'm going to add some Gorilla Glue to the knob for a permanent hold. I didn't have a screwdriver on hand, so I just used a butter knife to screw it on tight. Okay guys, so we're almost done, and as you can see, it's totally coming together. Isn't that pretty? Now it's time to decorate the outside of the lid. But before I add the trim, I'm going to use the silver acrylic paint to paint the outside of the lid and the bottom of the lid as well. The acrylic paint has dried, so now I'll go ahead and decorate the outside of the lid with these silver beads. First, I'll apply some hot glue, glue the first bead down, then I'm going to add some Gorilla Glue and periodically add the hot glue as I continue to wrap the beads around the outside of the heart. After you're done with your box, you should have something that looks like this. I think it's very unique and beautiful. I made feet for my jewelry box by gluing on 3 of the Dollar Tree glass discs. And here's my completed box, and I think it turned out gorgeous. I think it'll look really nice displayed with some of my other heart-shaped jewelry boxes. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link below to those DIYs as well.
Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. It's important. It lets me know if I'm going in the right direction. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It's absolutely free. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.